Would you buy this motorhome only for $75.99 at Best RV in Torla, California? What is behind me is the smallest Class C motorhome. It is a brand new 2026 Thor motor coach, 419Z. Without wasting any time, let me show you this unit. It's a brand new 2026 419Z. As you see, it has the beautiful cap. On the 26, they add this nice logo for Ford in the front. They add also light in each corner of the cab, one here, one there. Nice white mirrors. They changed the color outside. Beautiful power awning with LED light. It's the 19Z. It has a nice propane storage over here. City water connections. TV hookup outside, 110 plug. Storage underneath. And you can see the storage, it goes through all the way to the other side. Voila! And underneath this storage, you have another storage, so they don't waste your time. So they give you two storage underneath right there, and one storage goes through all the way, so you could put your fishing pole or golf club. A beautiful backup camera in the back, as you see. Lippert expandable ladder prep. Come with a nice, beautiful, solid ladder for protection, as well as carry your sewer hose inside. Over here behind it, it has the 4,000 power generators flex, as you see. Class 3 hitch receiver with the 7-way plugs. That's another door for the pass-through storage. Gel-coated fiberglass. Look how shiny. You can see my reflections. Here's your propane tank with the gauge and all that. Here's where you fill the 55-gallon fuel tank unleaded. 50 amp plug over here. Cable hookup, city water connections, and sandy flush kit. Endless hot water heater. And over here you have the place where you dump. You put your sewer hose, the black and the gray. This motorhome, because it's a 19-foot, it drives like a small SUV. And also the beauty about it, it's a dually in the back, so you don't see the bouncing. It's compact. You could take it to Yosemite Park. You could park in any parking lot. It's drive like a big SUV. E350 chassis. So when you open the door, it feels like you're driving a small truck. Nice entry assistant handles. Power steering power, and it has the beautiful Ford, and again this is 2026 and we started. This is a beautiful Ford chassis, a nice beautiful dash, two-tone colors, black with the beige. It has the backup camera, so when you put reverse you could see the camera is the rear, and also it has CarPlay, Android Play, and those different sources you could add over here, source, outside, and you name it. It's kind of nice. 2 airbags, armrest on this motorhome, easy to drive, no question asked. It has even tow haul, so if you decide to tow a boat behind you or jet skis, this easy to get in. I like this plastic rubber cover right there. From outside, you look like a small motorhome, and everybody walk away. Oh, how I'm gonna fit in this? But when you walk inside, look how spacious this one. A lot of space. You have a nice extension countertop for the kitchen to give you more counter space on the right and the left side. A nice country sink, very modern, contemporary high-rise faucet, 2-burner range with light. All these doors, you could see self-closing doors, place for cooking pans, even place for another cooking pan or small trash can over there. You have put a place for your dishes, utensils. They give you convection microwave. This is not just microwave, this is electric oven, convection, as well microwave. Nice light with hood and fan. Amazing, nice, beautiful storage place. When you sit here, look how roomy, look how bright it is. I mean, I just opened the window to give you ideas how you could sit in the back, let the wife drive, and just sit and enjoy the seating and eating and drinking in the back. Also, this bed, this dinette, it turned to a bed. So this one go down here, and the cushions become one big bed for you and the wife. If you want to use the lower bed, if you said, you know what, I'm tired, I don't want to make up a bed, you have bed on the front. Let me show you this bed on the front. You have a big bed on the front with a big TV, and it come with a ladder, so no issues. So you and the wife could sleep here, or two people sleep here. Nice smart TV on a swing arm. Or if you said, you know what, nope, I want to go sleep in the back and I want to watch my TV, and you could say, voila. While I'm laying down in the bed, I could watch the TV from there, or when you're laying down in this upper bed, you could watch it from here. So that's the beauty about this arm, and you could lock it either way, and you could access it either way. Beautiful, isn't it beautiful? Going here, you have the nice 12 volt, 11 cubic foot, I mean, huge. Look how big the freezers and the fridge, and it's a 12 volt, and you could run it, no question asked. Nice closets to hang clothes. Here's your power cord owner manuals. Also, you have all these storages here, bins right there. If you give me a chance. So you have this, that, all the back is the storage, plus you have this for clothes. So you could see what you could get with this motorhome. It's amazing, amazing, and again, the management at Best RV priced it to make it very affordable for you to buy a Class C motorhome, because some people, they thought, oh, Class C motorhome, RVs I cannot buy because they're overpriced. Yes, that's somewhere else, but at Best RV we make it affordable for you, so you could put your dream on the road. Going here, I love this bath. That's nice, like a marbles. You have a full shower. I'm standing here. Now, they put this big height. Look. So no problem to stand up here. So a tall guy could stand up. Look how high. Elbow, no issue. I have a nice sink to wash my face and wash my hands. And you have a shower. You could, ladies, they could sit on the toilet and do their business. Nice toilet, nice shower, and porcelain, it's good. Nice sink, fan, you push on it, and you turn the switch, and voila. And that's it. Perfect. Everything there. What else you need? I don't know. What else you need? You have everything, every Class C motorhome, these amenities. I love Thor what they did. I love 4Winds what they did. They put it in 19 foot. Perfect. Easy to drive. Ladies, don't get scared from Class C. With this motorhome, you could drive it, no problem. Drive like a small truck. You don't have the big 32 feet behind you. 19 foot, 19Z, perfect, and we have at a price no one could match. Now, I'm gonna take 1 minute from your time, because everybody think they can't compete with us, they can't compete with our procedures, they can't compete with our way how we are do business here. This motorhome inspected twice. We inspect the motorhome when we get it from the driver. That's number one. We inspect the motorhome when you sign the paper, full inspections. That's number two. And the third, we do a full thorough walkthrough. The unit plugged in with offshore power cord, plugged in with water, plugged in with, it has full propane, batteries. And we go item by item, item by item. We're gonna show you. Fridge cold. Okay, put your hands. Cold? Good. Check mark. AC running. Cold? Check mark. TV is running. This. But the way how we do it here, we do it in such a high volume and a high speed. The competitor, they tell you, sign, come back in a week. Why? I don't understand. It does not take me a week to make this motorhome ready for you. Average a motorhome at my dealership, at Best RV Center, it take between 3 hours, 2 hours, this motorhome ready for walkthrough. Within 3 hours, you go home with it. We don't push our stuff a week, 2 weeks like other dealers, but we do it more efficient, on time, fully, and we do our good inspection. Even sometimes I say better than the manufacturer, because we take our time and we do it multiple times to give you a unit. You cannot call us or call the factory, oh, this does not work. Why? Because, sir, I showed you, it's right here. But if things happen because we have service and we'll take care of you. Sorry I took your time, but I want to emphasize this. we do here, awesome job, and we want you to have a happy experience with it. We want to show you everything's work and function. And all this operation, all this work, I do not charge you. We, Best RV, do not charge you any penny. So we give you the free get ready package. We make it ready. We do full walkthrough, full inspection, full orientations. You don't need to hire a third-party inspector. Some people, they say, oh, could I bring my inspector? Okay, you can. But you're wasting your money because we do better job than him. Also, the unit shown and everything demonstrated to you before you leave the lot. So when you sit behind this driver's seat and you turn the ignition, where do you go? Go camping. Don't go home, go camping. Turn the ignition straight to the campground and enjoy your beautiful RVs. And let's enjoy our beautiful country. God bless America.